Alright guys, first attempt at the homemade sauna, and we'll see how we do. I've got my teepee tent. I'm going to set that up, and then I'm going to get the stove rolling. We'll see how it goes. Got the base up of the tent. I spread out pretty good. It's not a super hot day, but I think it'll work. Could be hot enough. We'll see. Okay, we're up. You can see, super simple tent, really easy to set up. I'll probably pull it a little bit tighter, but it's gonna work. All right, here we go. You can see this is what we're working with. It's pretty hot in here, so let's see. All right, we're getting it going. We're inside. We'll see. Fire's gonna be going. Let's get this thing going. You probably think I'm crazy. I probably am. I got a hoodie on and a sweatsuit. So, yeah, if you, well, I guess this isn't live, and I say somebody should probably check on me, but I think we'll be okay here. We're taking precautions. We're gonna try to sweat it out. We're rolling. It's hot in here. I've got my water. I've got a little music I'm gonna jam out to. I'm gonna try to get into a meditation. Show you guys this here. Running. When I open it, the smoke comes. I'm trying to get this thing super hot. So, yeah, a little homemade sauna. Let's go. Man, okay. It's working. We're dealing with the smoke, but it's definitely hot in there. I stepped outside. It's probably at 92 outside, and it feels like it's 50. But I've got the door open on the furnace to let the fire build. So I needed to step out to let the kind of smoke clear, and then I'm gonna go in for, I'm gonna try to get like a focused 20 minutes of breathing in there. So it's working. Going in. That boy is burning. I'm gonna close this. Get that smoke out. Here we go. Okay, so day one homemade sauna down. Definitely works. One of the issues is the smoke. So when you open the door of the furnace or of the stove, then you get a bunch of smoke in the tent. So that's not comfortable, and I definitely don't want to be breathing that in. So I think the key is getting it really, really hot. And potentially what I might do is get some sauna stones and figure out a way to put that on top of the stove so those will heat up, and then we'll be able to radiate heat. But it definitely worked. I would guess it probably got 150, maybe a little bit more in there. I was sweating, got a good sweat, felt good. I wasn't able to get into a deep meditation just because I was a little worried about the stove and the smoke. So I was kind of getting pulled in and out, but I think that's a challenge in itself. But definitely I think we're on to something here, and we'll perfect it as we go.